Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a proxy in Janitor AI. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar and type Janitor AI. Then press Enter to search. From the search results, click on the official Janitor AI website. Wait for the homepage to load completely. Once you're on the website, browse through the available AI characters. For this tutorial, we'll select the animated character Dante Stone. Click on the character to open its profile. On the character page, scroll down until you find the Chat with Dante Stone button. Click on it to open the AI chat interface. After the chat page loads, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on the three-line menu. This will open the navigation panel. Next, click on Settings at the top of the menu. Inside the Settings page, find the Provider option and change it to Proxy. Now you'll see the Proxy configuration section. Click on the New button to create a new proxy configuration. Enter the required proxy details, such as the server address, port, and any authentication information if your proxy provider requires it. After filling in the information, save the configuration. Once your proxy has been added successfully, Janitor AI will be ready to use that proxy configuration for supported connections. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials.